The process of making application to study in UK universities and colleges. Do you want to go to school in the UK? Do you know the step-by-step process to follow to make the application successfully? By the way, my name is Ika. I send you my special greetings depending on your location. Remember to share, like this video, and subscribe to this channel, and you will be notified whenever I make a new video. So back to the topic of the day. What is the process of making application to study in the United Kingdom, colleges and universities? To apply to study in the United Kingdom, the first step will be to go online, look up the list of universities through colleges and courses available in the UK. Then pick a school and a course of your choice. Take time to read through the conditions of admission to the school. If you're sure that you meet the requirement, then the next thing will be to apply to the United Kingdom educational body called UCAS. UCAS means the Universities and Colleges Admission Service. UCAS is an independent charity and the UK's shared admission service for higher education. When making the UCAS application, you will be given an online form to fill. In that form, you will put in your details. Part of the form will require you to pick 3 choices of schools that you would like to attend. The first, second, and third choice. After your registration, UCAS will then liaise with the schools that you picked and pass on your details and documents to them. Documents that are usually required are your passport, full academic transcripts, certificates, personal statements, English language test results if available at that time, and your CV. After UCAS has contacted the schools on your behalf, that's the school of your choice on your behalf, the school will assess your documents and decide if you are qualified to be admitted. You'll be notified of the outcome of the assessment when you are successful. That is, whether you're successful or not, you'll be notified. And if you are successful, you will be given an offer. The offer could be unconditional or conditional. Unconditional offer is when the student has met all entry requirements and your place has been secured. Conditional offer is when the student will need to meet certain entry requirements, that's more requirements apart from what was submitted. And if that is the case, for you to succeed in the admission, you need to provide them with the remaining requirements that they seek for you to be granted the unconditional offer. So while this application is going on, you will have written your English language test if you did not do it at that time. The English language test is to prove your English language ability. UK universities accept different types of English language tests. IELTS is one of them, but there are many others. You may have to look up the other ones in Google. So depending on the offer you made, the next step is to apply for your accommodation, okay, and get a confirmation that you have it. Now, after you've gotten your accommodation, once you've received an offer, you will need to pay a deposit or a full fee to guarantee your place ahead of your school resumption. The ways to pay your fees are either through bank transfer or by debit and credit card. That's either bank transfer or by debit or credit card payments. So now, after paying your deposit, the student will receive an email. You will receive an email inviting you to the next stage of the application. And that stage is the confirmation of acceptance studies, which is the CAS. I've mentioned this in one of my videos. CAS, confirmation of acceptance studies, is an integral part of your visa application. So at this stage, you will now send all your documents to the school itself. Some of the documents that you may require to send for you to get your CAS number is proof of English language ability, all your qualifications, transcripts, certificates, any diploma, and any other, and proof of your finance, like your bank statement and whatever you can show to prove that you have the financial ability to pay your fees or your sponsor has. Then parental consent if you are under 18. If you're under 18 to study in the UK, you will need to come with a letter of parental consent. Okay. Now, once these documents have been received, the school will send a CAS reference number to you, the student. This will allow you, the student, to start your visa application. Okay. So, guys, to paraphrase, you need to look up the schools and the courses. Then you pick the school of your choice and pick your own course as well. Apply to UCAS, the body of admission in UK that organizes admission. And they will liaise you with the colleges that you pick. They would have collected your documents. They will give you a form to fill, online form. You'll fill it, attach your documents, send it to them. They will pass your details and your documents to the schools that you picked. The school will assess your documents and decide whether to give you admission or not. The admission can either be conditional or unconditional. If it is unconditional, that means you are admitted straight away. But if it is conditional, that means there are a few things that you still need to do. And when you do those things, then they will give you full admission. After that, you apply for your accommodation, pay your fees, submit all the other documents needed now to the school. Then the school, when they are satisfied with that, they will give you the CAS letter, that reference letter, the number on it. You take it and apply for your study visa. So that's what it is. This video is in a nutshell. I've already made a video on visa, so you can look it up in this channel and watch it. Together will give you a better understanding of the process of getting a visa to study in the UK. So guys, that will be it today. Now take care, stay safe, and bye.